Hello, my name is Letlhogonolo Letsatsi. I'm 19 years of age, born and bred in Pipi, Botswana. Well, I really want to be a presenter, people, because it's something I'm passionate and I really want to thrive in. I really have the talent. I really know that I've got the talent. And it's a thing that about really trying to voice out for the people, for the public, either young or old, either wealthy or in poverty. I really want to be the voice to help out everybody and change lives in what I want to do and in this presenting man of mine. So I am Letlhogonolo Letsatsi, and please vote for me. I really do want to make it in life. Thank you. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Gemstones, Botswana. Now, I'm your host for today, Letlhogonolo Letsatsi, and I'm really here to, just go about and show you guys what we're really all about here in Gemstones. Now, I know you guys are excited, but you just have to chill and sit there on your seats and really relax, and because we're going to really meet some people who want to showcase their talent and display themselves in what they really want to do in life. We got talents such as acting, dancing, singing, and so forth. But please, people, we really need you guys to vote for these young people. They really want to make their dreams and expectations in life, so you need to vote for them at www.gemvote.com. Vote for this person, and maybe you'll be able to book them a spot in the next round or whichever round may lead after that. So please do what's necessary. Show some love, show what you can, and please vote for these young children. It could be me, it could be anybody at this point in time. So please vote for the person you feel is worthwhile and is worth voting for. I am your host for today, people, Letlhogonolo Letsatsi, signing off. I know that's a bit of a tongue twister, Letlhogonolo, but it's how it is. But so vote for everybody that you feel has got the style. I am your host. Thanks for watching the show. Be sure to tune in next week. Signing off. Peace out.